Hello everybody, welcome to Getprintx. In this video, we are gonna learn how you can do a wallet recharge, how you can upload and create a design, how you can place prepaid, COD and self-shipping orders using the direct order option, how you can track the order and how you can raise a ticket in case of any queries. First of all, when you log in or sign up on Getprintx, this dashboard would be open. On the left, all the options are there, and on the right, there is a Your Fund option where you can do the wallet recharge. If you are selling on marketplaces like Amazon, Flipkart or Meesho or any other marketplaces, then direct order is the option for you. To place a direct order, you have to recharge your wallet first. The amount in wallet should be more than or equal to the amount we are placing the order. So after we click on add amount, the payment gateway is opened where we can place the order. After completing the wallet recharge, my payment is successful and my wallet balance is updated. And click on upload design. You can select from a variety of products. For now, I will go with the men's t-shirt. Here you can select the t-shirt colors, and on the left you can add your design to upload. You can add your design on the front, back, left sleeves or on the chest as a logo. For now, I'll just go with the chest logo, and here I will save this design. We can name it anything and just click on save. The design gets saved with Getprintx, and you can afterward place as many orders as you want with this design. This is only a one-time process. Here you get a pop-up box where you can copy the link or just cross it. You can see our saved product is shown here with the exact name. Here you can select the size you want and the color and just add to cart. And you can add multiple products at once by selecting different sizes and different colors. Multiple products can be added to the cart. Our product is added successfully, and we will just click on view cart. All the product details like color, size are shown here just for your reference. And if your order is prepaid, just add the store order ID which you have, or if you are placing a sample order, just write sample here. This is completely for your reference. If you are ordering a sample for yourself, then you will add your name here. But if you are ordering for the customer, then you will add customer details here. We will quickly fill this up. You can add the order total which will be displayed to your customer here. For example, if it's $7.99, I will add $7.99 here. You can also opt in for specific Blue Dart air courier. The charges would be added here. Or if you want fast processing, you can opt in for fast processing here. The same is for COD orders. Only 50 rupees extra is charged as the COD collection amount. You can place a self-shipping order by adding the shipping label here and your courier details. But we will go with prepaid order. To place a prepaid order, we'll just scroll down and click on order now. As you can see, our order is placed. After placing the order, you can track the status on the order status tab. You can see the initial status is in processing. Once the tracking link is updated within 4 to 5 working hours, the tracking icon is shown like this. You can track the order by clicking on this icon. Once you click, the order tracking page is opened with the initial delivery date and other statuses. If you have any issues with your order or you have to raise a ticket, then you can click on the order ID on the left, create a ticket from here. By clicking on create ticket, you can just raise it. Here you can add anything and just open a ticket. After submitting the ticket, all your tickets would be shown here on the ticket management section. You can track your tickets from the left ticket management option. When you click on ticket management, all your tickets would be shown here. In this way, you can just place an order, raise a ticket and track your orders.